Welcome. In this video I will show you how to invert colors on Windows. Open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, open Ease of Access Settings and then scroll down to Color Filters. Open this tab and now to use color filters, switch the toggle to the right, and then in order to invert colors, select Inverted. This way you can invert colors on our windows. You can also use Grayscale filter or Grayscale inverted filter. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.